Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your PayPal password if you want to keep your account secure. Updating your password from time to time is a smart and simple habit, especially when your account is connected to payments, bank cards, business activity, or online purchases. This is especially useful if you think your password may be too old, too easy to guess, or if you've used it somewhere else before. The good news is that PayPal makes this process quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon to continue. Before moving forward, make sure you are signed into the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage more than one account for personal use, business payments, or online selling. After that, you'll be taken into the settings area for your account. From here, find the security section and open it. This is where PayPal keeps the options related to protecting your account, including your login details and password settings. The security section is also a useful place to review other protection features, so it is worth knowing where this area is in case you need it again later. Inside the security section, look for the password option. When you find it, click on it to start the password change process. PayPal will then ask you to confirm some information before allowing the update, which is completely normal and helps keep your account protected. This step is there to make sure the person changing the password is actually the account owner. Now, enter your current password in the first field. After that, type your new password into the next field. Make sure your new password is something strong and unique. A good password usually combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and it should be something you don't use for other accounts if possible. Avoid obvious words or easy patterns so your account stays more secure. For example, try not to use your name, birthday, phone number, or simple passwords like password123, because those can be easier to guess. Once you've entered your current password and your new one correctly, click the Change Password button. PayPal will save the update, and your password will be changed right away. And that's it. Your PayPal password has now been updated. From this point forward, you'll need to use the new password the next time you sign into your account, so make sure you do not accidentally keep trying the old one. As a final tip, after changing your password, make sure to remember it or store it safely in a trusted password manager so you don't get locked out later. It's also a good idea to review your other security settings when you're already in this section, just to make sure everything looks good. If PayPal offers two-step verification on your account, turning that on can add another layer of protection, especially if you use PayPal often for payments or business transactions. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change your PayPal password. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple PayPal tutorials, and check out the next guide if you want to learn more about keeping your account safe.